Welcome back, everyone. Turn down the volume. The American Academy of Pediatrics says excessive exposure to loud noises can be detrimental to children, and sound machines can cause more harm to kids than previously thought.
Health reporter Stephanie Stahl joins us now with details on this important new research.
We won't whisper for this one, though. Millions of children are at risk for hearing loss because they are exposed to high volumes of noise and at close range. The world is a loud place. We're constantly exposed to excessive noise levels, especially kids.
It's hard to get these things away from them. My daughter has earbuds in her ears at all times, unless she's lost them.
Experts say those earbuds are usually too loud. A new study from the American Academy of Pediatrics shows that many kids are exposed to potentially harmful noise from infancy, and the effects can last a lifetime.
Once hearing is lost, that is generally permanent. It could be immediately after like a loud blast, like an explosion, but more likely it's due to repeated exposures over time to less loud noises, but noises that are still too loud.
Doctors say that's usually what happens with ear pods and headphones. The study also noted concerns about infants' exposure to sleep machines or sound machines.
If you are going to use a sleep machine, set it at the lowest volume possible for the shortest time possible, and set it as far away from the baby as possible.
In addition to turning down the volume, experts say it's a good idea for kids and teens to take listening breaks and use earbuds with caution. Now, it is estimated about 60% of adolescents listen to music at volumes over the safe limits. Silence is golden. Whatever happened to that? There's no silence now anymore, right?
So true.
Noise machines
until they leave the house, I hear. Until they leave the house.
Oh my gosh.
But, yeah.
Thank you, Steph.
Thank you, Steph, as always.